Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make an iconic Parsi dish called Dhansak, which combines vegetables, pulses and meat. This is a very wholesome and delicious recipe. For this Dhansak recipe, I'll be using 1 kg of boneless and boned goat meat, 2 sliced red onions, 2 tablespoons each of crushed ginger and garlic, 1 butternut squash cut into chunks, a bowl of baby spinach leaves, 1 aubergine which needs to be diced, 50 grams each of chana and masoor dals, 2 star anise, some black peppercorns and cloves, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 tablespoon each chili and cumin powder, half teaspoon each cinnamon and green cardamom powder, a handful of Kasuri Methi or dry fenugreek leaves. Let's begin cooking by dry roasting the lentils in a pressure cooker for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add water to the pot. Give the pot a stir and then add diced butternut squash, aubergine, baby spinach leaves, a bit of kasuri methi, a bit of salt, and give everything a good mix. Add a bit more water and give the pot a stir. Then cook for 20 minutes on medium flame. After 20 minutes, open the lid and you can see that the vegetables and the dals are cooked. Now it's time to mash up all the ingredients like I'm doing here to this kind of consistency, and then take it out in a bowl. Heat some oil in the pressure cooker and add the whole spices. Let them sizzle for 30 seconds and then add the sliced onions. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Then add the ginger and garlic and fry for a minute. Then add the meat pieces into the pot and fry on high heat for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the powdered spices and mix them in. Then add salt according to your taste. Stir the pot. Add enough water to cook the meat. Scrape off the sides and bottom of the pot. Then add the remaining kasuri methi to the pot and pressure cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the lid off. You can see that the meat is cooked. Now we will add the bowl of mashed lentils and veggies to the pot and mix them in. Now I'll add 2 teaspoons of tamarind paste into the pot. And mix it in. Give it a taste and then add 1 teaspoon of molasses or jaggery to the pot. Add a bit more kasuri methi on top and our dhansak is ready. Let's plate up our lovely Dhansak. Sprinkle some chopped mint and serve with chapatis or rice. Dhansak is a Parsi traditional dish which is wholesome and very tasty. Usually fresh fenugreek leaves are used for this recipe, but I was unable to get any and have used dry fenugreek leaves instead. Give this iconic Parsi recipe a try and enjoy.